All right, so this is what I am putting away. So these two somehow need to fit in here. I don't think I have enough of these acrylic drawers. I went yesterday to my local Dollar Tree and they didn't have any. So I might have to make a run to a different Dollar Tree to find more. But I'm going to start putting some stuff away for now and see what we fit. I am thinking of... Okay. So I found these at Dollar General. These are actually for the fridge, but I was like, these are big enough for me to fit a few different products in here. So I'm thinking of putting maybe blushes and highlighters in this whole bin because it is pretty big. And then I have another one, and maybe I can do like highlighters and something else. I don't know, but this one actually fits here in the bottom pretty well. It does give me a little bit of space, which that's okay. Let's see if this one actually fits in here as well. I think this one's, yeah, this one's gonna fit pretty much in every drawer. I kind of want to leave this last drawer for like hair tools, hair products, or anything like that. And then these do get a little bit smaller, so that one's not gonna fit in there, but this one will fit in here too. And the reason why I want to take them out of those acrylic drawers is because in my old house, I had a shelf, but that shelf was against the wall. Like it was hammered into the wall. I don't know. So now I don't have any space. And since these IKEA drawers have been sold out for like almost a year, I don't know when they will be back in stock. So I don't want to have these on the floor. I just want to have space for them. On the top, we are going to be putting my, what do you call them? Palettes, all my eyeshadow palettes, so I can see them and so I can know what I have and actually play with them. So let's go ahead and start with that. And then I did hang already my jewelry rack. I got this one from Amazon a while ago. So yeah, if you guys are interested, I will try to find it and link it down below. But Mr. Lincoln is here with us today. Say hi. Say hi, baby. He is learning how to sit on his own now. He's about to turn 6 months in a few weeks. So, he's getting so big. Yeah, he's getting so big. He's getting so big. We're going to put in the new BFF palettes. These I just got from City Color Cosmetics. I have yet to play with them, so I'm going to put them up here to use them. How cute are these? These are also new by LA Girl. I've actually played with this one already and it's really pretty, so I'm also going to display these up front. This one is new in my collection as well. I have not played with it, but hello, summer is approaching us. So I'm going to put this one here. These are all new by Revlon. So we're going to set these here to the side. And then this one as well. It's one of my favorite Huda Beauty palettes. So I don't know what palettes I'm throwing in here. I'm just literally trying to fill this up. So if you guys think I should add or remove some, let me know in the comment section down below. So this is a new PR package. I don't have any more space in this drawer for the lashes because these are new. What I am going to do, how cute are these, by the way? These are by the brand Salon Perfect. So we have fluffy, light and fluffy clusters. These are really pretty. These are a little bit more full, definitely up my style. Winged Demi Collection, winged, let's see, Demi Collection. These are Amplify, Volume Eyes, and Metamorphosis Eyes. These are all really pretty. So what I am going to do is I am actually going to put these right here, and this is where I'm going to put any and all new makeup, so I know that this is the cards that I need to use for new makeup, things that I need to reach for and actually use. So I went to Dollar Tree. I took a little break. Lincoln got hungry, he was tired, so he is down for a nap, and they didn't have the ones that I wanted, but I picked up these. These are actually for cotton balls, and I'm gonna see if I can use them. I also picked up some of these. I have these, and this is where I keep like my ligas and bobby pins and everything in my room. They are a little bit small, but maybe we can make them work. So we're gonna see if these come in handy or not, but let's move on to the next drawers because up top is pretty much done.